Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to comment GIF on Facebook using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser, search for facebook.com. And now just go ahead and log in your account. And if you don't have one, just go ahead and create an account. Okay? So now just go ahead and find the post that you want to comment in. And now, for example, this post. So, as you can see here at the comment section, here at the right side, you can see the GIF icon. So just go ahead and click on that. So here you can choose any GIF that you want, or just go ahead and search. So for example, agree. So for example, this one. So just go ahead and click on that. And just go ahead and click enter, or you can add some of your personalized comment or message, like for example hi, like that, and then just go ahead and click enter. So you just need to wait, and here as you can see, I already commented this GIF on this post. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.